welcome back to the channel, man. Here's the Dodge Nitro. Let's get right into it. We changing the expansion valve, man. Let's get this 10mm bolt off of here right quick. All right, it's got these two lines on it. We simply move those out the way. Now this particular H block is held on by two T25 torque bits. All right, so grab your torque tool and just start winging them off, man. Let's get this thing off of here real simple. Be careful and take note of the O-rings and where the O-ring goes. Make sure they don't fall. Make sure they stay lubricated when you're putting it back together. Let me go around here and get my new H block. As you can see, the part number right there. It don't have to be an OEM dealer part. It can be an aftermarket part. It worked just fine, and this will happen to be gold. Here's the new H block right here, and here's the new O-rings. Make sure you put some lube on those O-rings. All right, real simple, man. Let's get this thing on here. Torque these torque bits back on here properly. Tighten them up, snug them down. Do not over torque them or do not over tighten them. Put your lines on there. Make sure your O-rings on there. Make sure your O-rings are lubricated. Grab your 10mm nut. Put it back on there. Snug it down to perfection. And then, ladies and gentlemen, it's simple. Those new cans of freon that you just seen me buy, let's put this adapter cap on one of them, man. Let's get this stuff put in, man. I got my little tool right here. Simply screw that on, wind it down to where the freon would come out of the can and into the car. I think this particular car takes 24 ounce. I got two 12-ounce cans. That should be perfectly enough. You always be aware of how much freon you put in the cars, because that makes a difference, ladies and gentlemen. Try not to undercharge it or overcharge it. That, my friend, was the old H block. We got the new one on here. That line right there is freezing cold, ladies and gentlemen. This AC should be perfect. Now, I did previous diagnosis earlier, so right on this video, we just replacing it. So thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.